I have had it. I am so sick of changing diapers, seriously. And I'm having another baby. I am not changing 3 diapers. So today is the day. Potty training. Tatum and Oakley, potty training. I'm not doing this alone either. Kyler, you're helping me.
Oh my gosh.
You're helping me.
Chill, I've been helping you for the last 2 years.
Well, I need you to help me some more.
I am so sick of diapers and I'm so sick of diaper rash. Luckily, for the last 2 years, we've had Boudreaux's butt paste to help us out.
It's true.
So thank you to Boudreaux's butt paste for sponsoring this video.
You guys, this is everything a parent needs to prevent and treat diaper rash all in one booty-friendly box. It contains the original butt paste, diaper cream applicator, and the maximum strength butt paste.
Original butt paste helps prevent and treat mild diaper rash. Maximum strength butt paste contains the maximum level of zinc oxide for when the rash needs a little more. Butt paste is free from dyes, preservatives, parabens, and talc.
This 100% BPA-free silicone applicator provides thick and smooth coverage and is mess-free.
Put some on me, mommy.
Ew. I'll show you, not on your butt, but on your arm. How about that?
All right.
Is your arm rash mild or does it need a little more help?
It needs a little more help.
Okay, then I'll use the maximum strength. 1 second.
Are you sure you don't want to try it on my butt?
I'm sure. I'm pretty sure they don't want to see me try it on your butt.
Fish fam, would you like to see her try this on my butt?
Okay.
Just kidding. We would never do that.
All right, maximum strength. Let's apply it to the applicator.
Look at that rash, mommy. It hurts, mommy.
Oh,
it hurts.
You poor baby. You poor baby.
That feels so good.
See? Thick and smooth coverage.
Wow.
Mess-free. Also, this butt brush applicator suction cups to any horizontal surface.
What the? This seems like it would be a good gift for like any expecting parent.
Perfect gift.
Let's see, who's...
Got any baby showers coming up?
Yeah, we got some baby showers coming up.
Mine. Savannah's, Chantel's,
Chantel's,
Brampty's.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
geez, we can get this for everybody.
Everybody is pregnant.
You guys, click the link below to get your rash kit, and the first 100 people to use my code will get $3 off their purchase.
Hey, that sounds like a pretty good deal. Thanks again to Boudreaux's Butt Paste for sponsoring this video.
You know what time it is? It is potty training.
Potty training time.
Potty
training time. Do the butt paste dance.
Okay, Brady has been watching the girls. So, children, Tatum, Oakley, time for
Potty training! Hey! You guys want a sucker? I got a sucker for you. Here you go. All
There you go.
Now guess what? Guess what we're gonna learn how to do right now? We're gonna learn how to go on the potty. No more diapers, okay?
Tatum, guess what? No more diapers, okay? Say, okay. You wanna go in the potty? Yes. Do you wanna go in the potty?
Oh, what the heck? You guys have already done it before.
Oh yeah, so I haven't told you guys, but Tatum and Oakley, a couple days ago, they went on the potty 5 times in 1 day. And I was thinking, oh, they're potty trained, but they haven't gone since. So we're gonna lock it down. We have to make it fun for them, Kyler. What should we do?
Well, we already gave them a treat, so...
I know, usually we give them the treat after they go potty, but we're trying to get them excited about it.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go
Come on,
find
let's
your
go
potty.
to the bathroom. Come on, let's go. All right. Look.
This is the potty. Do you want to sit down on it? Show them. Can you sit down on it? Sit down, Oakley. There you go. Well, she's just gonna show us how cute the potty is. See, look at, we have this cute little potty here. It's too hard to
We
go.
give them a choice. They can either sit on the big one or they sit on this little guy right here. But they usually like to sit on this one because it has the little elbows on it.
Come on, sit down on the potty. You like the potty.
Come on. Come on, let's try it. What's wrong with you guys?
Yeah, put your foot in the potty.
Put your foot in it. That's yes.
Okay. Go in the potty, you get a special toy. Okay? Good! Good job! You trying?
Good.
Good job.
job.
She went a little drop. Do you want to try? Okay, you don't have to do it. We're gonna go play for a little bit. I took the diapers off. This is how I did it the other day. I took the diapers off. When they have to pee, they won't pee on the floor now because the diapers are off. So we're just gonna wait, let them play, and then as soon as they have to run in here, we'll follow them. All right? Come on, let's go play. No pee-pee on the floor though, okay? You don't have your diapers on. That's what I tell them. They're too scared to pee on the floor.
I figured that this is the best way to handle it, by just letting them run around with their clothes off because they are afraid to go on the ground without a diaper. Just really the first step, I think, to figuring out, you know, the whole system.
I am giving them some drinks right now so that they'll have to go potty.
Ah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Mom's always thinking ahead.
Oh yeah, drink all your milk. Drink it all gone. It's so yummy.
This'll make him have to go to the bathroom.
Do you need to go potty? Candy. You go potty.
You get a big candy. Hey there, kid. No more pee-pee in your diaper. Okay. Okay.
Good job! Oh, good job! Wow!
See, I did it! Okay, should we pour? We gotta pour it into the toilet.
Oh man, okay. Oh, I'm not gonna like doing this, I don't think. Okay.
Woohoo!
All right. Well, obviously we're not really gonna be able to train these girls in one day. It's gonna take a little time.
Yeah.
But
they're getting
I
better.
think they are getting better, and I think that they're gonna get it soon, especially before March. So we are in the clear, dude.
That's true. Girls, I'm so proud of you. You did it! Yay!
Wow!
Yay! 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 You're potty again, high five! Yeah! No more diapers, okay? Do you want to see your big girl underwear Daddy bought you?
I want to bet Mickey.
Mickey underwear?
Truthfully, I think Tatum's trying to avoid this whole operation.
It's because we're filming it.
Oh yeah, she gets a little shy, huh? She's a little camera shy lady. But not Oaky Bear. Not Oaky Bear, look at, smile.
So to help with potty training, I bought this book called Once Upon a Potty. Look, do you guys want to read it with mommy? Okay, ready? Once upon a potty. I believe there's a girl and boy version of this, but this is the girl one. Hi, I'm Prudence's mother, and this is Prudence, a little girl. Prudence
So fat.
has a body, and this body has many useful parts. Head for thinking, eyes for seeing, ears for hearing. You see? She went in her diaper. Stinky. That's what you guys do. And now she likes her potty even more and uses it every time. Oh my goodness. Girls. Oh, they're gonna read it now.
Oh, good.
Okay, so do you guys feel more confident now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You did it! Oh, good job! I love you. Oakley seems to love going on the potty. We're gonna work on Tatum a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Potty training is not easy. I'm sure a lot of you moms watching know that it's not easy. So if you have any tricks or tips, can you guys please comment below, because I really would like to know some of your tricks. Today's post notification shout out goes to Amanda Butterfly 64. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. And if you guys want a post notification shout out, make sure you turn on post notifications, subscribe to our channel, and check out our Instagrams. Boop, 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 boop. Right there. We love you guys, and we will see you on another vlog. Bye.
иди. И если все еще дышишь, знай, включи заново, чтобы звучало более пышно, пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект, а эффектом фи-эффект, лови эффект кипиха. Так наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины. Без стиля, без усилий, мы лишь вирус на любом носителе. И мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем. Ведь разум подчиняется звукам, и эта мания подобна настоящей магии, что взрывает от начала до конца твое сознание.
One.